Hey guys, today we will be making shrimp spring rolls. First things first, we're going to be using some Radicchio. Now this is kind of like purple lettuce. If you never heard of Radicchio or what it looked like, typically if you get like a spring mix, this is that purple lettuce that you usually see inside of that spring mix. And I'm just going to peel off these large pieces because when we get to the end to roll it, we're just going to be rolling them up. I do have some red bell pepper for a little bit of sweetness. Next, I will be using a cucumber. I think small cucumbers are best for this. So what I did, I just took a regular sized cucumber, cut that in half, then cut that in half again, and then made these long kind of spear pieces because again, we're going to be rolling all of this up in the end. I got some carrots and some butter lettuce. You can definitely get your own carrots and shred them, but why when they come already shredded? Here's some avocado. With the avocado, I'm just going to be slicing them into moon pieces, or moon slices, shall I say. With the shrimp, I'm going to season it with some sweet Creole onion blend seasoning, some garlic butter seasoning, and some tropical Sazon seasoning. These shrimps are currently pre-cooked, like how you buy them at the store, but I am going to place them in some water for about 2 to 3 minutes just to kind of steam them. I'm using 2 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of water. I just dropped the shrimp in there for about, like I said, 2 to 3 minutes. Then I scooped them right back out. These are the noodles that I am going to use. With the noodles, I'm going to place them in that same water I just took that shrimp out of, and I let the noodles cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Here's all the vegetables. I just went ahead and sprinkled some tropical Sazon and garlic butter seasoning on top of it. The rice paper, you want to place it in some warm water for about 5 seconds, and then you want to take it directly out. Don't leave it in there because it starts to get to the point where you can't grab it because it starts to dissolve. And I'm placing the noodles, the butter lettuce, and then I'm going to place the radicchio, the bell pepper, the avocado, and the cucumber in at the back of the rice paper. And then I'm going to start to roll that before I get to the shrimp. And then when I get to the shrimp, I'm going to take each side from the left to the right and roll it up. You'll see what I'm talking about in a moment. So see, I started rolling the vegetables and noodles first, rolled it up about 2 or 3 times before I got to the shrimp, and I just started to tuck the shrimp in after I folded in the sides and picked it up. Thank you guys so much for watching my take on shrimp spring rolls. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications so you can always know when I'm posting another video.